Welcome to Master Chef Goethals 2025 today. Today is the 15th of November and we're going to celebrate today as the Master Chef Goethals Day 2025, and it's going to be a fireless cooking. Children are not allowed to use the fire, you know, there are hazards. So here our boys are at hard work decorating the final moments. This team comprises of girls who, as you all know, are very adept at what they do. Our Goethals girls make us very proud. Here too we see some dedication, hard work. Everybody concentrating on what they are doing. This year we have 8 teams, 2 from each house. Hopefully next year we'll have some more participation. Here also the girls are hard at work and so are the boys. Here we have our junior coordinator, Mr. Abhishek Chamling, our captain of the Red House, and we have the Red House team also working very hard. Our cameraman for the day, Harsh Saxena, and we also have, yes, our very own, I will. We have a team that is in full focus, scrambling to make their dishes. Our children make us proud. I'm very proud of our kids. Here too, we have boarding children and we have our day children, the girls. They are also scrambling to make whatever their dishes for today. Everybody wants to keep it a secret. Everyone wants to keep it a secret. They are tasting their dishes. They are putting everything together. And here we have assembly of dishes going on. I'm so sorry I photobombed you, sir. Our boys and girls, hard at work. You make us so proud children. We'll bring to you the final touches, the final judgment today. And the final dishes will be made and we'll let you know what is there. I sign out right now, hoping to catch up with you again in some time. Another young team of 4 girls, aspiring young women. Their brownies have big eyes like I do. And look at the wonderful dishes they have prepared. Look at that. Very appetizing. So girls, how happy are you? Very happy. Let's hear it louder. Yes. And how much would you score yourself on a scale of 1 to 10? A 10. A 10. Very fine. And anyone who wishes to becoming a chef in the future or take it up as a hobby? Let's see some hands. Very good. All our girls want to go ahead and take it up as their hobby. This is our outgoing batch. The girls are from the outgoing batch. Please wish them well. There's only one, I think, not from the outgoing batch. She's giving me smiles. 3 are from the outgoing batch. Wish them well so that they may do very well in the examinations. We have a beautiful team here and we have 2 men who have helped the 3 ladies here. And let's look at their dish. Wow, how well presented. Look at this. Refreshers, coolers, right? So team, are you happy with what you have done? How happy are you? How much would you rate yourself on a scale of 1 to 10? A 10 on 10. Very nice. Anyone who aspires to being a chef in the near future? No? Baker, chef, no. But as a hobby? Yes, as a hobby you would like to continue. How many of you? Let's see hands. All the best. All the 3 girls want to bake, cook. All the best to you, team. A young team. Now here we have 3 young men helping the 2 young women. And look at the dish they have prepared. Appetizing, creative. Okay. So how happy are you with your dish? How happy are you? You are happy. How much would you score yourself on a scale of 1 to 10?
As far as taste is concerned,
8. Okay, why not 10? Oh, what did you miss a little? No?
maybe the pudding could have refrigerated a bit more.
Okay. So now anyone who wants to take this up as a hobby? A hobby? Cooking as a hobby? Alright, we have 1 hand, we have 2 hands, and not 3 hands. Okay, the other 2 have their hands in their pockets. Okay, thank you, young women and men. There is a young team of 2 men and 3 women, and they have dished out such a wonderful, wonderful dish. Okay, look at that. Look at the creativity. So are you happy with your dish? How much would you scale yourself on a scale of 1 to 10?
Ma'am, the term is known as infinity.
Infinity, all right. So he says infinity once more. And anyone who's going to take up this as a career, cooking, baking. Yes, okay, she's the team leader as well. And how many of you would take it up as your hobby? Okay. Thank you so much. God bless. Keep doing well. We have another team here. We have a total of 8 teams, and here is another team, mostly girls, 1 boy, and they have presented a beautiful dish, or rather an array of beautiful dishes. Are you happy with what you put out? How happy are you? How would you score yourself on a scale of 10? 10 on 10. Do you aspire to be a chef someday? Or a baker someday? Maybe. Anybody with hobbies who will take this up as a hobby? All right, okay. Thank you so much. All the best. Another team. And look at the array of their dishes. Wow. So my question to you, how much would you... No, first let me ask you, are you happy with the dish you have made? Are you happy? Very happy. How much would you score yourself on a score of 10? Yes? 11. 7. Why 7? What?
I may say the presentation might not be that. We lack in that. Which we
May I tell you, John is our school artist and he is one of the best there is. And he's also the outgoing batch now. He'll be passing out very soon. Please bless him and bless all the others. These 3 girls also, they're in the outgoing batch, and 1 is in class 9. He's also the vice prefect. I wish you all the best, children. Do you aspire to become a chef someday? Anyone? No. But a hobby? Maybe as a hobby. Okay, thank you so much. Another team and another spread of beautiful dishes. Are you happy with your dish? Yeah? Very happy? How would you score yourself on a score of 10?
11.
A score of 10, 11. That's very ambitious, very good. We need that ambition with your food. Anyone who aspires to be a chef in the future? Or maybe take it up as a hobby? Hobby, yes. Okay, yeah. All the very best for you guys.